Saint John Paul the Great once said, "Remember the past with gratitude. Live the present with enthusiasm. Look forward to the future with confidence." Indeed, this day is the most auspicious day in the history of our nation, and the world has won back freedom from the oppression of war. After the relentless struggle and persistent sacrifices put in by our great freedom fighters during the World War II.
But victory, Freedom Day, is not a day to be sad, not a day to worry and to be filled with anxiety. It is a day to celebrate our country in which we are so privileged to live and the freedom we know so well.